Hi everyone, my name is Shalina from MarineMax Lake Wylie. Our phone number is 803-831-2101. And today I just want to do a quick walkthrough on the all-new Sunliner Sport that we got in. It is a 230, so 23 feet long. It does have the integrated rail package with the ski tow bar, so you can put your fenders right here when you're not using them. And you do have the clip-in fenders, which are really convenient. And it is powered by a 175 Mercury, so you do have the upgraded digital throttle as well. You do also have the upgraded JL audio, so you get a total of 6 speakers, and you can control the music from back here as well. You do have a vault right here if you needed to air up any tubes or things like that. Stainless steel cup holders, and also the sun lounger, which is really nice. And you do have a tremendous amount of storage as well. All of this opens up and goes all the way through. And then coming through, you do have the acrylic table right here for any drinks or snacks to where everybody can socialize. You have the dual helm area as well for a little bit more intimate feel. The sport tower with the integrated bimini as well. And right here we do have the integrated digital throttle with the active trim. So you've got your start stop button right here, RGB lighting, so at night you can cut on the underseat lighting, cup holder lighting, Simrad screen, so you've got your fish finder, chart plotter, depth finder, everything right there. Upgraded JL audio, wireless charger. And you also have in-floor storage, so you've got your ski locker down here, tremendous amount of storage space all throughout there for your life jackets, things like that. And you've got the diamond stitching all throughout on the seats, stainless steel cup holders and USBs all throughout as well. If you guys have any questions about this boat or any other on our website, feel free to give us a shout. Again, my name is Shalina from MarineMax Lake Wylie. Thank you.